Ladies and gentlemen, rum and cherry cola Jello shots. So we start off with some cola. Okay, we boil that. When lots of you boil cola, we get it hot, and then we add in our gelatin. Okay, it needs to be hot in order to dissolve the gelatin. So we mix that in. Now we follow that up with some cherry Jello. Woo! Stir, 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 stir. Nice. So we have our cherry Jello. Come behind with some rum because you got to add some booze in. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, so now you want to slice off pretty much the bottom of the cherry just so it rests firmly in our little Jello pan, so to speak. Now we pour in the mix. And so what's going to happen? You can have these nice little cool Jello shots being formed that you could just pull out, okay? Beautiful. And there you have it. Delicious. Good to go. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.